check these videos out.
Welcome to Mr. Can't Stop, your premier destination for all your outdoor and remodeling needs. With a wide range of services, we're here to make your property shine. First up, landscaping. Our expert team will transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis, from garden design to planting and maintenance. Say hello to the backyard of your dreams. Is clutter taking over your space? Let us handle it. Our junk removal, hauling, and property cleanup services will clear away unwanted items and debris, leaving your property clean and clutter-free. Keep your lawn looking lush and healthy year-round with our professional lawn care services. Need heavy lifting or excavation work? Our Bobcat Services are here to get the job done efficiently and precisely. Safety and aesthetics are our top priorities when it comes to tree cutting and debris cleanup. We'll enhance the beauty and safety of your property by removing unwanted trees and debris and hauling it away for you. Say goodbye to unsightly tree stumps and damaged fences. Our stump grinding and fence repair services will enhance the safety and aesthetics of your property, giving it a fresh new look. Planning a renovation or construction project. Our dumpster rental service makes debris removal easy and convenient. Plus, our expert team can build a sturdy and stylish driveway retaining wall to enhance the stability and appeal of your property. Need interior remodeling or exterior repairs? We've got you covered. From soffit repair to full property remodeling and bathroom renovations, our skilled team will turn your vision into reality. Complete the look of your outdoor space with our hardscaping services. From patios to walkways and everything in between, we'll create a stunning outdoor living area that you'll love. At Mr. Can't Stop, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Contact us today to schedule your services and let us make your outdoor and remodeling dreams come true.